Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to teach you how you can create a new status item for your projects and workspaces on a Monday. So let us get started. Head over to monday.com, log into your account and select your workspace here on the left panel as well as a project. So guys, as you can see, I'm going with that list of tasks here with these status items. It is actually very simple, guys. If you have a list like that, the fastest way to create a completely new status item like this one here, or basically entire column, would be to simply duplicate one of the already existing status items or columns. So to do that, let me go, for example, with the priority column here. So simply right click on it. After that, hover your mouse over duplicate column and select whether you'd like to duplicate only the column or all cell values. So let me go only with the column because we don't want to apply the entire cell values. After that, you will see that column here to the right. So you may now, for example, move it to a different position or simply click into the given name of the column or status item and apply a new name, like, for example, I don't know, completed or something like that, question mark. And after that, you may customize your status item and column by giving or by assigning different labels and options, like in this case here, priority, low, high, medium. So you may change these by clicking into these three dots here next to the status item title. After that, hover your mouse over settings and select customize status column. And here simply edit your labels, like, for example, you may remove that one here and add a new one, or click on new label here. Let me go with that one and add a name, like, I don't know, completed, status like that, or complete. You may also assign a color here below, or delete one of these labels here by right clicking on them and selecting delete a label. Let me also delete that one, and that one. And let me rename the default label to in progress or something like that, so that you can distinguish between tasks that are in progress or they have already been completed. And let me also add a new label, third one, like not started yet, something like that. So that's these three labels that may be chosen here or selected from that column. So once you're done, guys, simply click off, and after that you'll be given the opportunity to mark or to select the given label in that column. So if I click on this cell here, I will give the opportunity to select one of my labels, like not started yet for that task, in progress for that one, and complete for that one. And that's how you do it, guys. As you can see, it is super simple. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.